Welcome back to Chai Chat, and now we are in the last segment of Chai Chat where we are going to talk about कि हमने इतनी सारी भारत की बातें करी और ये बातें करी कि NRIs कैसे हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं मोदी सरकार से। तो फटाफट वो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो मोदी सरकार को करनी चाहिए that will fulfill your wishes and desires and expectations.
Collaboration is very important. Otherwise, Indian are not that advanced. But if you have a collaboration with Japanese or a British or American, then you will bring the technology with a faster speed.
Okay. Anyone else?
Increase the ease of doing business in India, liberalize the economy, do not over-legislate, instead make the semi-efficient systems more efficient and remove ambiguity, provide clarity and let the bureaucrats be accountable and remove delays.
It has to be clear system. It has to be transparent system. People who come from abroad to India, they don't have to stay in the queues or anything like that. They for train tickets or anything because they're not used to these things.
Nobody should stay in the queue.
Have a clear, transparent system so their work's being done.
are found in the UK.
Yeah.
Yes.
and also for the FDI.
Where was the queue?
One of the things this government has to still, I haven't seen, I don't know, I missed it for a month or so. They have actually said anything about the FDI. They haven't said anything about the FDI So if they want FDI, then they need to have a single shop system or one-stop shop system. So more FDI, more foreign investment come to India.
Simona, are you hopeful?
Yeah, I think I agree with everybody that Modi's becoming Prime Minister has brought with him hope for change. But as I said,
We don't know whether it will be how much it is.
It's true, in the early days. It's early days, and the potential is there.
Yeah,
Another
potential.
important thing we all forgot. I mean, the best solution to most of the problems would be to have an effective load budget.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. We always have a fantastic time here. In Harjabs, I'm going to use and actually cheat. नकल करूंगी मैं हरजाब की कि Modi has sold a dream. We need to see whether he fulfills it or not. There is a lot of hope, but there is a little bit of skepticism as well amongst the people here, especially the NRI Janta, who are neither here or nor there 100%, but are definitely hopeful and hoping that there would be change. And if there is change, maybe they might want to come back. Don't know whether India wants to accept them or not. It's a different matter. But please join us on next Chai Chat. We have roaring Chai Chats every week. So join us next week. Thank you very much for being with us.